This is the elevator at the Academic Advising and Resource Center at Duke University, East Campus in Durham, North Carolina. Just a really old elevator, hydraulic of some sort, but they just modernized it. There's an old Monarch elevator. Oh, this is sad. Okay, this one looks like it was done 15 or so years ago. Go to 2. Here it up. Here 2. Right on the 1. 885 right above the floor buttons. Certificate installed in 1961. It's a basic redone Otis elevator. Get some bits of the old cab. Got a new ceiling. Here back at 1. Here it closes and that's gonna be it.